Hi, my name is Janne Eriksson at solutionmanagement.eu. We help our clients to implement an intelligent operations manual. We use Nimbus Control software to help our clients to achieve excellence in effective process management. When we say intelligent operations manual, we mean an online manual for your company that is easy to access, understand and update. In today's video, we will look at some of the features in Nimbus Control web portal. So welcome to this introduction to Nimbus Control web portal. We have here the workspace for Peter Moore working in a company. And this workspace is divided into three parts. Here we have the favorite documents, we have some to-dos, processes and some other things. On the left hand side we have actually a small HTML document where you can put your customer company logo and some text. And up in the left hand corner we have some menus to navigate around Nimbus Control web portal. Today I'm interested in some recruiting, so I have here on my desktop some links to different recruiting processes. Let's look at resource to business. We'll go into a Nimbus Control diagram, and here we have the title of the diagram. And on every diagram we have activity boxes which are constructed with, you have an activity, recruit and select resource. And then we have the input which is triggering the activity, need for new resource and or skills. And then as a result of your process you have new employee requirements set up. Also the person responsible for carrying out or having the activity. And at the top we have a measurement or a metric describing how well we are performing this particular activity. This is quite extensive, select recruit and select resource, so let's drill down and see how it's actually performed. We'll come into the lower diagram, and here if you go down to the bottom, you see that every diagram has an owner and an author. So you know when you want to do some changes or you want to know what's going on with the diagram, you can always find the person responsible for the process. On the right hand side you can see that this diagram is a master document, it's not a draft, and you can see the version number, and you know this is actually the correct process to perform, not something which is lying around, it's actually a master document. Let's drill down one level more and see what's going on. On this level I'm interested in what the recruiter is doing in the complete requisition. And for his help he has SAP and PeopleSoft as systems. Click on a note bubble and we'll have some extra information which is important for carrying out the activity. Click again and close that. And then at the paperclip you have attachment relevant for performing this activity. Here you can attach any type of document or links to ERP system or any kind of system, Word, PowerPoints, and in this case we have some SAP transactions. And down below we also have a link to an URL. So let's open up the first document, job aid, creating a job opening and entering job details to see how this works. You will have your Word document right at your hand. You can start working it and save it in space where you need it. You can of course update it. In this case we'll just close it. Let's say now you want to change. You know we don't have this input for this activity and you want to give to the owner information that this should be changed. Okay, let's go to edit and add change request. When are going into formal change request, well this will go to the owner of the process who can then take charge. Put in some user reference, add some notes which will be relevant for the owner to see that this should be changed, put in my password so he knows it's me that sent this, and I click OK. This now goes into workflow and we'll go to the owner, and then If it's delegated then to the author, and the change will come into place. Okay, we go back to documents. On your desktop you have some documents. You can of course click, these are your favorites, just click on them and they will open up in a new window like we did on the diagram. And you can do as before, work on it, save it, whatever you like. In Nimbus Control we also have a document registry. So you click on Documents, it will take you directly into a Nimbus Control document registry where you can search or find your documents in the same way you did before. And you can click on the information. You will see the owner, the author, which kind of version, and so on. And you can download the document as we've seen before. Okay, now the last part here on your workspace, we have to-dos. We have reviews, your change request, and in this case an authorization that you're asked to authorize the document or diagram that you are the owner of. Click on authorization. It will take me into the authorization part of control where I can directly accept it, or in this case I'm not 100% sure what it's all about, so I click on the link. Will take me to the diagram and I see this is what I asked for. Now I want to authorize this. Go up to the top hand right corner, have an authorize button. I also have a reject button, but in this case I'm going to authorize. Click on my authorize. Similar to the change request, I pick something, maybe some comments, password, and I click OK. If I go back to the home page and click on home, we'll now see on our to-do list it's disappeared. We don't have any more to-dos. And of course, when you have a to-do, you will get an automatic email for any kind of to-dos that is relevant for you. For more information, please go to solutionmanagement.eu. Thank you for watching this presentation.